If you've ever dealt with messy sales commission spreadsheets, you know the pain. Xactly aims to solve that with a full-stack sales performance and incentive management platform. But does it live up to the hype? Not just on paper, but in real-world use. Let's find out. Xactly is a cloud-native platform designed for sales compensation, performance management, territory planning, and revenue forecasting. Built for true enterprise scale, it promises automation, transparency, and strategic insight for GTM teams. In this review, I'll walk you through its core capabilities, pricing model, what users rave about, where it could improve, and who it's best suited for. Xactly brings a comprehensive toolkit for revenue operations, end-to-end compensation suite, automate incentive compensation, run real-time payouts, ensure ASC 606 compliance, and eliminate spreadsheet chaos, territory, quota and forecast planning, build balanced territories, refine quotas, and get real-time forecast accuracy to align sales efforts with business goals, benchmarking and insights, tap into deep performance data for smarter quota setting, compensation ROI measurement, and strategic coaching, real-time transparency. Sales reps get immediate visibility into earnings, plan structure, and performance through dashboards, scalable cloud architecture, built for high-volume security and auditability, with enterprise-level governance and AI-powered capabilities. Xactly doesn't list pricing publicly since it adjusts to company scale and deployment complexity. Here's a general sense based on user insights and enterprise models. Per-seat licensing, usually broken down across admins and payees. The platform is often positioned as mid to enterprise level, powerful but priced accordingly. What users love: accuracy and automation. Companies report huge gains in payout accuracy, forecast reliability, and monthly payroll efficiency. High customizability, supports complex commission structures, splits, accelerators, clawbacks, with no spreadsheet hacks needed. Transparent builder tools. The plan modeling and real-time dashboards build trust, clarity, and alignment across teams. Responsive support. Users often highlight Xactly's customer support and onboarding as highly helpful and responsive. Scalability and compliance. It supports global businesses with compliance, audit logs, and enterprise-grade controls. Where it falls short: pricing opacity. Without sticker prices, it's hard to estimate ROI before buying. Learning curve. The power it offers means longer setup and dependent on expert-driven deployment. UI complexity. Some users find the interface clunky or less intuitive until fully onboarded. Best for high volume. Overkill for simple or small-scale commission teams trying to stay lean. Xactly is a heavyweight platform built for organizations that need sophisticated, auditable, and strategic incentive management at scale. If your team deals with complex plans, regulatory oversight, or global operations, it's worth the investment. But for leaner setups, simpler tools may be more practical and cost-effective. So here's the bottom line. Xactly makes sales compensation precise, scalable, and strategic, but it comes with a premium setup and price tag. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's your biggest headache when it comes to commissions or sales compensation? I'd love to help out. Catch you next time.